being specific about randomization, blocking by gender and family history. Here are my subjects blocked by gender for my statin experiment. Let's say I believe that family history may also affect the response to the statin treatment. I can further block these individuals by also making them similar in terms of family history. So here are all of the males that, yes, have a family history of high cholesterol. Here then are all of the males that no, do not have a family history of high cholesterol. I can do the same thing for the females, so I'll put all of the yeses at the top. So here are all of the female subjects that, yes, have a family history of high cholesterol, and we'll group or block all of the no's together. So now I have 4 blocks. The idea of a block is to put together all of the subjects that are similar in order to control for gender and family history. Each block is made up of subjects that are similar in gender. They're all male or all female, and they are also similar in terms of family history, all yeses or all no's. Now, I made up this example because notice these blocks now only have 5 subjects. So what happens if you have an odd number of subjects that you have to assign to an even number, or in this case, 2 treatments? Well, you're going to get 1 more subject either in the treatment or in the control group, so that's okay. What's most important, though, is that you're specific about the randomization. The assignment must be random. Let's talk about how you could be specific about that by using another method. I call this the hat method. So you could simply take each block, which has 5 subjects. So for this case, let's look at the female block with no family history. So we're focusing on these 5 down here. We could just as easily focus on any other of these blocks of size 5. In this case, here's the female block with no family history. So it would be the same procedure for the other blocks. So assign each subject a number from 1 to 5. We'll write the numbers on pieces of paper that are the same size. It's important that they're all the same size, so no piece of paper is more likely to be selected than any other, because we're going to place them in a hat. So to randomize the papers, we shake the hat. Draw 3 slips of paper from the hat. So we will assign the subjects corresponding to these numbers to the statin treatment. Assign the remaining 2 subjects. So there's nothing we can do about that. We're going to have a different number of subjects in the treatment and control group because we started with an odd number of subjects. That's okay. What's important is that the assignment is random. Assign the remaining 2 subjects to the control group. Then we could use this same procedure to complete the random assignment within each block. There are 3 more blocks for which we could do this. But what's important is that the assignment is done randomly within each block. From the hat, we'll assign the subjects corresponding to these numbers to the statin treatment. So we'll put them in the treatment group. Assign the remaining 2 subjects. It's a different number, but that's okay. We're only off by 1. 2 subjects to the control group. Use the same procedure to complete the random assignment within each block. That's really important. Random assignment is done within each